Large LCD with 10-line display is the first for a cash register of this class. Not only registration has become easier, various settings have become smoother as well. Also built with an adjustable tilt mechanism for easy viewing, and a backlit LCD display will provide high visibility in a low-light environment. Customer display of better viewing offers a pop-up swivel and 2-line LCD with the ability of character display. Using PC programming tool helps users to save time and enables easy settings. Setting data can be programmed to the cash register via SD card. Data can be saved just by switching the cash register to Z mode and pressing the key. Offers easy viewing of sales data by using a PC. Journal output is also possible. Thermal printer with a low operating sound is ideal for quiet atmosphere. Its quick print speed will not have to make customers wait. Another feature of Casio's cash register is the graphic logo. Logo can be chosen from the pre-installed designs. The latest functions and design that help create the ideal shop front. Casio Electronic Cash Register. Stroke key model for those who have a wide range of business. Casio.
The Sharp XEA207 and XEA23S cash registers, with their unique menu-based control features, are the ideal solution for businesses looking for fast, quiet, thermal receipt printing. Standout features include a best-in-class 8-line LCD operator display with a 1-line customer display, 2,500 price lookups or PLUs, and 4 programmable tax rates. For ultra-simple programming, both models offer a PC-Link software utility for easy programming of all PLUs, departments, and clerks via an SD card. Customizing your receipts has gotten even easier using the exclusive graphic generator to add images or logos to your customer receipts. Up to 8-line LCD display for clear everyday viewing. Pop-up customer display for the right angle every time. Fast, quiet thermal printing using standard 2 1/4 thermal paper. Clear, removable key tops allow the user to clean keys or easily customize them. An SD memory slot can be used for convenient backup of sales or easy programming. Drop-in paper loading ensures hassle-free paper roll replacement. A flexible cash drawer with a removable coin tray and 4 bill slots. Additionally, a sub-drawer allows for storage of bills and checks. Let's review the key software and programming advantages. A menu-based interface using an 8-line display makes programming on the register intuitive. Free PC-Link software via download provides easy programming right from your PC. Automatic tax tracking for up to 4 tax rates or a tax table. QuickBooks Pro connection provided via an export utility that allows for easy sales data transfer to this popular business tool. Receipts with logos. Customize receipts with business logos or images. 2,500 price lookups or PLUs or storing common items. Credit card terminal connectivity. Send transaction totals automatically to a credit card terminal offered by First Data EMPS. Instant help. At the touch of a finger, thanks to built-in help key that prints out frequently asked questions. Choosing a Sharp small business cash register not only provides you access to over 40 years of cash register experience and reliability, it affords your business the ability to quickly process customers, track income, and manage tax requirements. At Sharp, we want your transition to a new system to be as smooth as possible. In order to help with initial setup and configuration and long-term assistance, Sharp provides web-based support tools online 24/7. Everything you need to get up and running is right at your fingertips, including instructional videos, FAQs, and manuals. Additionally, all Sharp cash registers come with 1 year of access to our toll-free technical support hotline to assist with setup and operation. Thanks for watching.